Family and friends, you know it's your favorite Rasta Man again. You know I'm Rastafari soldier. And when you see your friends or family, someone you know on a homicide poster, it really hits home. Just returned from Jamaica. And I'm saddened, ladies and gentlemen, to be reporting that Travis Turner, someone that I personally know in the South Florida area, has been tragically taken out in Vypz lawn on 4th of July, ladies and gentlemen. We're going to talk about this. Prepare for me to talk a little bit long. I'm more live. Yeah, Rastafari soldier is in the place, and we're going to talk today. Yeah, families and friends, thank you for tuning in again to your favorite Rasta news anchor. You're looking at the street right now. On the screen is Travis Turner, someone that I personally know from around the corner. Now, the Broward Sheriff Office is investigating a shooting occurring at a nightclub in Lauderdale Lakes. The shooting was reported around 2:20 a.m. Tuesday at a strip mall near the 4200 block close to North State Road 7. Deputies were called to a lounge called Vypz, spelled Vypz, but well known in the Lauderdale area as Vypz. Authorities confirmed that on the arrival of deputies in the area, they found a man suffering from gunshot wounds. Paramedics later pronounced him dead at the scene. Deputies said a woman was also injured. The shooting was hospitalized with non-threatening life injuries. Investigators taped off the parking lot for several hours on Tuesday, while liquor bottles and debris were seen scattered along the street. Detectives later towed away a dark color BMW. Its connection to the scene is unclear. Now, the local news, Channel 10, Channel 7, and different reporters were on scene. And they spoke to a couple people that heard gunshot rang out during the club. One witness said that the music was so loud you couldn't really hear anything. I thought that the gunshot was fake at first, she said. BSO homicide unit detective are investigating the circumstances that led up to the shooting. They're asking anyone that has any information on this particular situation to call the Crime Stoppers. Tips at 954-493-TIPS. Now, ladies and gentlemen, like I said, you know, this is another tragic situation that continues to happen in these Lauderdale Lakes, in these hood areas that are associated with these parties. It's not the first that I've heard someone getting shot in Vypz. But look at the young man, handsome young man. I know this person personally, and I, man, have never even heard this youth raise his voice or have a confrontation with anyone, much less to be in a gun battle, to get quang in front of everyone. It's another situation. My condolences to Travis Turner's family. And I'm asking anyone in the Lakes or Lauderdale or that was in the club to contact BSO, because it's just another one. It is unfortunate that we continue to destroy each other. We continue to destroy our brother and our sister, making our father and our mother cry. And when our brothers that we know die, we are so scared, lack of testicle fortitude, and lack of consciousness, where the white man won't even get any help to save one's life. But again, all we're asking here is justice for Travis Turner, because they're taking this youth from their mother and his father and his family and his friends, the entire Lauderdale Lakes, Lauderdale. I know this gentleman from Jamaica, from the Mobay area, the St. Catherine area, and he's also known as Hot Dog, a youth that's known in the street as a hustler. When I first met this youth in Lauderdale, this youth was riding on a motorcycle, a red and black Kawasaki. Then I noticed him upgrade him ride to that same, a BMW. Was a gray, bluish BMW at the time. I didn't even know he acquired another BMW. But I seen him about 2 months ago when I visited the Lauderdale area, and he had a white panel van, people, and this youth had all kind of tools inside of it, you know, saying that he was doing mechanic work. So one thing I could say about Travis Turner, this youth is a trying youth, a real trying youth. Ladies and gentlemen, I hope BSO and the United States law enforcement can catch this broad, because it's unfortunate that we are going to have our young friends and family in our community, and we're afraid to provide information to the police to help solve the unfortunate killing of such a young man. In this time, people will call you informer. Yeah, because they don't want you to do right. In this time, people will try to, you know, even take your life. So you have to be careful as far as what kind of information you're divulging and who you're divulging it to. Because sometimes you give out the information and you try help and you them turn on. I'm just reporting, ladies and gentlemen, because it's a sad situation. It's unfortunate. Never thought I would see this youth on a homicide poster, because this youth is a cold youth. If you know this youth, leave your comment. If you have any information about the brutes that has taken this youth from the community, from his family, we're asking you, ladies and gentlemen, to give some information so the police them can solve this one. Because a joke thing we are do, as far as a nation, as far as Jamaicans, we continue to destroy people's life, kill off people's family, no matter where we go in the world. And this have to stop. What we have to do is show the criminals them that we are unwilling to be afraid of them. And we are willing to give whatever information is necessary to catch them. Ladies and gentlemen, it's a sad day and a sad situation. I really don't like to report about people that I know on homicide posters. But it appears that to destroy our own melanated people's life, we become boasters. Here we're reporting as a young man, young man. Travis Turner. Most people in the Lauderdale area have stayed in this youth because this youth is a trying youth from down in Jamaica, Mobay, in the St. Catherine area. Them know him as Hot Dog, because them youth are ever hustled all over Jamaica. It's a shame that another young youth lost his life, and rumors in the street, it's about a catty. Unbelievable. Ladies and gentlemen, leave your comments. You know, if you have any information, we'll tell you straight up. Call the police and let the police know. Because this could be your brother. And worse, this could be you. Just letting you know what's going on in the street. I'm in South Florida. Yeah, Lauderdale Lakes. The club they call Vypz. You know, but it's spelled Vypz. So it's all vipers that be going there, trying to kill their brothers and sisters. It's a shame. I man, I got talk for a few moments. So, if you like that, well, go on, just subscribe to the channel if you have not subscribed as yet. And leave your comment. You are going to switch over to another news title right now. And it's keeping with the United States right